What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Today we got a sick exhaust video for you guys. I actually want to make an exhaust video on the Mustang. I don't think I have yet. I think I filmed like a POV video with the Mustang, but I really want to get some outside shots because I do plan on changing the exhaust of the Mustang sometime in the future. So before that, I really want to make a video like dedicated to what's on the car right now, in case you guys want to make your Mustang sound like mine. So now we're pretty much going to hit up the back roads with a few of my friends. We got a Mustang, we got Kai with the FRS, and we got mine. So this one, all that's done to the car really is a Corsa Sport exhaust. This exhaust came with the car. And it's honestly pretty loud. It sounds really good. I do plan on like tuning the car, going full catless with the car. I really want to go full catless with the Mustang. But yeah, before we change any of the exhaust, really want to get a video on this exhaust setup that I have right now. We got Kai, this turbo FRS. He just got some new taillights, which I'm so hyped on. They look so good. I actually really wanted these taillights before. They're pretty similar to the ones I have on my car. But they're so nice. These are the V-Land ones. Super nice. I feel like it fits this car so well, especially the TEs. And Jacob, he hasn't been in my videos. I think he's been in like a few of them, maybe like behind the scenes. But he's actually my neighbor. He has a Mustang. Got the Borges Supply banner. See you. Hey puppy. He's gonna be coming along with us.
Hi, good job.
Just had to pick up some taro real quick. My favorite taro ube, boba. It's kind of basic, but still bomb. Made it to our spot. You guys know we're always here filming exhaust videos. Doing like flybys right here. Like we've done so many of those videos here. I think we're gonna get some exhaust clips of my Mustang. Like I said, I had Kai drive my car like maybe a few times on the outside, but I really want to hear what it sounds like full open throttle. I've yet to hear that. I heard it's like super loud. They always say that my car is super loud, but it's weird. In the inside of the Mustang, you can't really like notice how loud the car is. It's pretty quiet on the inside, which is super weird. Oh man, it's gonna be loud. That was 3? Damn. Gosh, dude. Wait, what was that? What was that? That was 5?
5.
Damn, dude. That's so loud.
Here's 7.
Oh gosh. Gosh. Alright, that was way louder than I expected. That's crazy. It's so different on the inside though. It's like quiet.
You can't hear anything.
I know, it's weird. Is that how your car is too? Alright, so we're at a different spot now. I think we're gonna get some flybys right here. The exhaust, there's like nobody around whatsoever. And I think I'm gonna do a line lock. I'm gonna try out line lock on the Mustang. If you guys don't know what line lock is, it's pretty much like it locks the brakes for you so you can do a burnout. Haven't done it whatsoever, so I think I'm gonna try it over here after we get some exhaust clips. I'm kind of scared though. I've never really done like a dry burnout before. It's kind of scary, I don't know, but we'll see. We'll test out line lock. gonna try line lock. I'm kind of scared.
Just dump the clutch, like you always do.
It's making me nervous. I never do dry burnouts. Like, I don't know.
Dry.
We'll see. And I'm low on gas. All right, let's do it.
Over the crib, baby.
That was crazy.
That was
I was
crazy.
just like, screwed, I'm holding it. It's so shredded.
So sticky.
That was freaking crazy. That was honestly pretty easy, not gonna lie. Like, it wasn't that hard. It's like it holds the brake for you for like 15 seconds. And it just makes doing a burnout so easy. All you have to do is just freaking gas it literally and dump the clutch. Oh my gosh. Damn. That's sick. It's all crooked. I was about to go off the side. I felt like I was gonna go in the freaking dirt. That's crazy.
Keep it as a souvenir.
Souvenir, my first burnout. Put it in a freaking case and everything.
Oh no!
I was like going off of the road right here too. I felt like I was gonna go in the plants. That was so fun. I want to do it so bad again, but I feel like it's like super burnt here now because that was a lot of noise. That was so fun though. I want to do it again. Turbo time. Let's go. We're gonna get some more sound clips of the Mustang. Just finished up doing a little bit of car stuff. We're actually gonna get some food right now. Some In-N-Out. I've been wanting some In-N-Out. I always feel so like secured in this bucket seat. I've been contemplating on getting a bucket seat for my car. A bucket seat. I really want to go back to a quick release. I don't know. I'm missing the whole look of a quick release for the FRS. I kind of want to do a lot of interior mods for the FRS. I don't know, let me know down in the comment section below. It's a bit of my interest, not gonna lie. Damn, the Mustang looks so good with the new switchbacks on. If you guys missed that video, be sure to check it out. We installed some new switchbacks on the front of the car. It gives it a much more modern look. Those nice LED bulbs in the front. Damn, that looks so good. It looks like I have a demon eye on. It's like red right there, it looks sick. But yeah guys, if you guys are enjoying the Mustang content on the channel, I know it's something new, it's something very different from the FRS. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I know it's like a whole complete different car from like the whole JDM scene, but I'm curious to see if you guys enjoy the content, even though it's like a muscle car. And always feel free to comment down below like your suggestions on the car, the channel, anything. I'm always curious and very like interested to see what you guys think of like what's going on with everything. So always feel free to comment down below. I literally read all the comments. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this car. This thing is, it's just a complete different car than my FRS because it's turbocharged. I feel like he's pushing the limits with this motor. I feel like this car is so much more faster than mine. Like I want to say at least like 350, 360, which is a lot for the FRS. I actually threw on a 5mm spacer, so a 25mm plus the 5mm. It made the rear fitment look so much better. That tight fitment. Damn, that looks so good. The fitment though. I'm a complete sucker for good fitment. Oh my gosh. Just when it's right, oh, we're getting In-N-Out, but yeah, McDonald's sounds so good right now. I can literally eat McDonald's every day. That's how good I think it is. I know it's freaking super bad, but I can literally have cheeseburgers every day. It's so loud. He's having a blast. I just noticed my license plate bulbs are out. you guys rock this exhaust on your Mustang? Corsa Sport. Very quiet on the inside, but on the outside, as you guys can hear, this thing is pretty loud. Just finished up wrapping up some car. It is not focused.
Luca. Ow, ow.
Dog. The dog. In the sunlight. I give you all the power.
Oh.
Dump the gas. All of
Dump?
it. The rest of you guys, just dump it in there.
You probably freaking.
Alright. I was in neutral, I forgot.
Wow. Wow.
Bro, what the heck?
Dude. You got so much rubber in your wheel though.
So sweet, bro.
Do you like that burnout? Huh? It's like hell no.
It was pretty cool. It was pretty dope.
My owner's is better.
I would have done better. I would have done better.
I think I've seen better.